Important: the assembly of this product requires 2 people. Congratulations on your ownership of our ARMIA Collection Cot Toddler Bed. There also is a paper copy for assembly of the Cot Toddler Bed in the box. Please check if all items are correct. Tick in the box supplied on pages 2 and 3. Now that all items are checked and correct, we are ready to assemble our Cot Toddler Bed. There is 2 height, one being the cot height, and the lower one being the toddler height. Step 1. Get one of the bed ends, one of the cot sides and one toddler side rail. Put in connector dowels, all the smallest hole 5 mm, with your screwdriver, as shown below. For cot position, please put in top row of holes only. None in the toddler position. Step 2. Connect the other bed end after insertion of the connector dowels into cams. Tighten all cams. Step 3. Connect the mattress base after insertion of the connector dowels into cams. Tighten all cams. Step 4. Repeat with connecting the other cot side and toddler side rail. After insertion of the connector dowels into cams, tighten all cams. Step 5. Screw on both fixing plate with pan head screw. Step 6. Firstly, put in connector dowels X8 to caster base plate. Attach cot and toddler caster base plates to cot. After insertion of the connector dowels into cams, tighten all cams. Step 7. Final step is to attach the casters to the base plates with screwdriver using pan head screw 50 mm, X8 flat head M4 screw 22 mm, X8 lock nut nylon M4 X8 go in the through hole on the base plate. Tools needed. You need a pair of pliers to hold the nylon lock nut while you tighten the screw. Well done! Your cot is now completed.